Hi guys, we're from the Zoho Desk team and this video is going to be a quick recap of how far we've come in 2017. So let's start with the tickets module. We've got two new work modes for you. The priority mode lets you organize your tickets based on what's most important to least. And with compact mode, you can see more tickets on your screen to get the big picture. Stay on top of things with the Recent Items tab in your Tickets module. It gives you a compact view of everything you need to know with a single click. Next up, we've got Ticket Peek. This neat little feature lets you check out a ticket without even opening it. Our CRM integration just got a whole lot better as well. Now you can see your customer details, their potentials on CRM, notes left by your sales team, and any activities or tasks they've created. If you need access to your customer's screen at any point in time, you can do that without leaving desk. Simply click on Remote Assist and you're good to go. A lot goes on behind the scenes and your customer doesn't have to be privy to all that clutter. When you make your response private, you can now forward tickets, rope in external agents, and solve problems quicker without bothering the customer unnecessarily. What's more, when you do reply to the customer, you don't have to type out the same things over and over again. With snippets, just click on a pre-typed message and shoot out a response. Now let's take a look at some enhancements within the Community module. Every time a customer posts on your community forum, a ticket is automatically generated to Zoho Desk. Within this ticket, agents can change the forum status to any of the following. If you need access to the forum post, there's even a permalink that takes you to community directly. Your knowledge base module has undergone a considerable makeover. The new enhancements make the authoring experience simple and smooth. You can now format your KB content based on preset styles and also edit your permalink for the article from right here. We've also got some brand new integrations. First up, we've got Zoho Reports. Our in-house analytics partner lets you create custom reports, pull up response time data, SLA-based reports, and many more with a lot more flexibility. We're so excited to have Jira on board as well. So now you can file issues, track those bugs, and stay in touch with your engineers without leaving desk. On the telephony front, we have a host of new partners for you to choose from. And finally, you can now switch from Freshdesk in a jiffy. Our dedicated team will make sure that your onboarding is a breeze. If you haven't checked out any of these features, do take a look and reach out to us for any further assistance. That's all for now, folks. There are some exciting things around the corner, so stay tuned and we'll be back soon.